Guys, someone asked for the strategy I am using on the mobile platform in one of my videos, and of course I will be showing you the strategy right here in this video. But before I do that, okay, let's move on to the Telegram channel and see what is happening there. Okay, I actually posted some signals right there on the Telegram channel, and it turned out to be something positive. So if you are not on the Telegram channel, you are missing out a lot. Okay, and of course I use it as an opportunity to show you my trading ideas, my signals, and of course also show you some of my trading tools so that you too can also benefit from it. Okay, so these are some of the results from the trading bots. Okay, and of course you can see them right here, and this particular one also to 10 on this day, and of course this 880 dollars on this day. And of course I posted all these signals which turned out to be something positive for each and every one of us, and all the TPs were achieved. TP1, TP2 for this one, also TP1, TP2, everything were achieved on that day. Okay, so guys, you can see this particular trading result also 8,389 dollars. Okay, here is another one. Okay, still the same thing. And of course here is the trading signals I posted earlier, and of course, and that is how we are cashing out from here. Yesterday I posted the performance of the trading boards making $4,278. Okay, that's so amazing, guys. So guys, if you are not on this platform, you are missing out. Okay, so you can join the Telegram platform right now so that you can also benefit from all these signals, and of course I'll also benefit from some of the information I shared about some of my trading tools. Okay, so quickly let's go back to what we have right here. Okay, so guys, right here on the chart I'm having a simple setup that has been helping me to milk the market if I am not with my PC. Okay, so if I am not with my PC, that means I will have to make use of my mobile setup. Okay, if I am with my PC, I will have to make use of my custom made indicator, because it makes it very easy for me to analyze. Just looking at the chart, I will be able to say what I should go for whenever I want to trade. Okay, so that is how cool the custom made indicators are. Okay, so quickly let's see what we have right here on the chart. Okay, so if you don't have your PC, you can still make use of this setup. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the setup, and I'll explain to you how you can put the setup into use. Okay, on the main chart I am having this. It is a MA, and of course you can copy the setup and use it from your end window indicator. We have this, and the second thing we have on the window indicator is this. Okay, so you can do the screenshot and have it done on your chart. Okay, so quickly let's go back to the main chart. Like I have explained in my last video, I told you we have two major things that we should have our attention on: the resistance zone and the support zone. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, once you know this, then you will be able to milk the market for yourself. So if you should notice right here, the market was at the resistance zone and it was unable to break out from there. So definitely if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it means it will change the direction of the trend. And if you should notice, it gave us an entry point around there because it went below the moving average. And of course, can we confirm this? We can confirm it using the window indicator. This has gotten above 70, in short above 90. It means that it has overbought, and of course we are the crossing of the signal line right here. Okay, the downward crossing of the signal lines, and of course it means that it should sell at that point. Since it's not breaking out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's a good entry point for a selling market. Okay, so you just go in for a sell, and you sell right from there. Once it gets to 30, you should know that it is getting oversold. Okay, so you can take your profit at that point. And if you don't want to take your profit, you should lock up 80% of the profit and expose 20% to see if it can still make more profits, if you can still make more profit for yourself. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so right from there, the same thing is applicable to when you want to buy. Okay, so if you should notice, this has actually gotten below 30 here, and of course it shows that it has oversold. Then if it's not breaking out from this support zone, then definitely it should go back into an uptrend. Okay, so it gave us an entry point for a buy here, and of course, as you can see, it kept on buying. Okay, if I were you, if I'm still in the market, then definitely I should close all my trade at this point. Okay, how do I know that this has gone above 70? Okay, if I'm not going to close my trade, then I should lock up 80% of the profit right now. It is as easy as that. So if you love this strategy, kindly let me know what you think down there in the comment section. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.